In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from your Forex card to your Chase Bank account. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's get started. If you hold a Forex card and need to move money to your Chase Bank account, the most convenient method isn't through hdfc net banking option. Instead, I recommend reaching out to Chase Bank directly. To do this, visit the Chase Bank website and click on the customer service option at the top right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll down until you find the Find ATMs or Branch section. In the following page, scroll down and click on Check Card or a Chase ATM card. This will bring up a map showing Chase Bank financial centers near you or in the location you decided to put. The reason I suggest this approach is that when you visit a Chase Bank financial center in person, their agents can provide you with specific instruction and information needed to facilitate the transfer. This option is not available through HDFC net banking portal, regardless of the type of card you have. By engaging with a Chase Bank agent, you can easily present your Forex card and receive guidance on transferring funds. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.